Hey there, tech lovers! Welcome back to Consumer Heaven, your trusted space for smart, honest, and hands-on reviews of the gadgets that actually matter. Today, we're diving into a category that's redefining creativity, engineering, and manufacturing. Whether you're prototyping a product, building functional parts, or just exploring the world of home fabrication, choosing the right 3D printer can change everything. So in today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best 3D printers of 2026, each one tested, compared, and hand-picked for performance, reliability, and real-world usability. All Amazon links are added in the description below so you can check prices, deals, and latest reviews anytime. Let's jump straight into it. Number 5. Keedy Plus 4 2026 model. When you first power on the Keedy Plus 4, you immediately realize this is not an ordinary hobby printer. It's a professional-grade workhorse built for serious creators, makers, and engineers. It features a generous 305 by 305 by 280 mm build volume, which gives you the freedom to tackle big functional parts, multi-piece assemblies, or batch prints without constantly slicing your designs into tiny segments. The robust Core XY motion system, dual Z-axis motors, and strong 10 mm linear shafts work together to deliver smooth, vibration-free motion, meaning sharper corners, cleaner layers, and more consistent results even on complex geometries. But what truly sets the Plus 4 apart is the second-generation active heated chamber capable of maintaining up to 65 degrees Celsius. That stability makes it a beast for advanced filaments like ABS, nylon, carbon fiber blends, and high-temp engineering plastics, materials that cheaper open-frame printers simply cannot handle without warping. Paired with a 370 degrees Celsius all-metal hot end, a durable multi-metal nozzle, fully automatic leveling, filament runout and tangle detection, and a clear built-in camera with time-lapse support, this machine is built for people who want reliability without babysitting their prints. And since it supports Wi-Fi, Ethernet, USB, and slicers like Keedy Studio, Cura, Orca, and Prusa Slicer, you're never locked into one ecosystem. This isn't just a 3D printer, it's a precision tool designed for long-term, heavy-duty productivity. Best for engineers, professionals, and makers printing functional parts with advanced materials. Downside: the fully enclosed heavy structure requires a bigger workspace. Number 4. Prusa Core 1 2026 edition. The Prusa Core 1 immediately stands out the moment you unbox it. The enclosure feels premium, the panels lock in place with a satisfying click, and the whole machine radiates the signature Prusa engineering quality. Its 250 by 210 by 220 mm build volume hits the perfect balance between compact design and practical output size. Big enough for meaningful projects, but small enough to fit comfortably on a desk or workshop table. The fully enclosed Core XY architecture with active temperature control makes it incredibly reliable for advanced materials like ABS, nylon, PC, and carbon fiber composites, materials known for warping on cheaper printers. Inside, Prusa's motion system delivers buttery smooth movement, consistent extrusion, and optimized cooling airflow for remarkably clean prints. What really elevates the Core 1 is the experience. It's powerful yet doesn't demand constant tweaking. Auto calibration, smart diagnostics, stable firmware, and the typical Prusa plug-and-play simplicity mean you spend more time printing and less time troubleshooting. Yes, at 22.5 kilograms, it's heavier than most desktop printers, but that extra weight provides unbeatable stability, reducing vibrations and improving precision during high-speed moves. At the end of the day, the Prusa Core 1 feels like a printer you trust, the one you leave running overnight without worry. Best for users who want professional reliability with zero drama or tinkering. Downside: pricier than typical consumer printers. Number 3. Creality K1 High Flow Combo. The Creality K1 High Flow Combo feels like unboxing the future of desktop printing. With its 260 by 260 by 300 mm build volume, it delivers massive creative freedom, perfect for bigger parts, tall builds, or multiple prints at once. But the real star is the CFS multicolor system, allowing automatic switching between up to 4 colors, expandable to 16 spools with additional modules. Whether you're printing artistic models, multi-material prototypes, or filament combinations, it handles transitions cleanly and intelligently. Built on a reinforced all-metal frame, the K1HF is engineered for speed, regularly printing around 300 mm per second, with bursts up to 500 mm per second thanks to its optimized flow system. And it doesn't sacrifice quality for speed. Layer lines remain tight, corners stay sharp, and color transitions are crisp. The printer is packed with features: auto bed leveling, a tri-metal quick swap nozzle, a built-in camera with remote monitoring, RFID filament detection, purge optimization, and a foldable touchscreen that feels smooth and modern. The CFS also reduces clogging risks and keeps filament handling mostly hands-free. Real-world prints look clean, transitions are handled beautifully, and the overall workflow feels intuitive from setup to final output. Best for creators who want speed, color, and versatility without complexity. Downside, color printing increases purge waste. Number 2. Anycubic Cobra 3 Combo. The Anycubic Cobra 3 Combo is a multicolor printing powerhouse that instantly elevates your creative possibilities. With its 250 by 250 by 260 mm build volume, it's perfectly sized for artistic multicolor models, functional parts, or medium-large prototypes. The highlight here is the AC Pro module, allowing up to 8 colors while actively drying and managing filament spools, keeping moisture-sensitive materials fresh and ready. The printer is shockingly fast, hitting speeds up to 600 mm per second without compromising stability or detail accuracy. Setup is ridiculously easy thanks to LeviQ 3.0, smart flow correction, and vibration compensation. Even complicated prints come out clean with hours of tweaking. The 4.3-inch adjustable touchscreen is smooth and responsive, and the flexible spring steel PEI plate ensures excellent bed adhesion with effortless removal after printing. Its motion system is precise, sturdy, and well-balanced, delivering sharper corners, smoother curves, and consistent layers. While color printing means more purge material, the creative freedom it unlocks is well worth it. The Cobra 3 Combo is simply fun, fast, and beautifully capable, the kind of printer that keeps you excited to experiment. Best for artists, hobbyists, and creators exploring multicolor or multi-material designs. Downside, color changes increase filament waste. Number 1. Creality K2 Plus Combo, 2026 flagship. And taking the number 1 spot, the Creality K2 Plus Combo. This machine is an absolute monster in both size and capability, built for serious makers and professionals. The enormous 350 by 350 by 350 mm build volume means no more slicing huge projects into tiny parts. From helmets to RC bodies to engineering components, the K2 Plus handles it all in one go. Its biggest flex? The new CFS multi-material system, supporting up to 16 colors and materials seamlessly. Whether you're printing flexible TPU, PLA, PETG, or artistic multicolor blends, the transitions are smooth and the performance is consistent. The fully enclosed chamber with active carbon filtration ensures safer printing and more predictable results. Inside, the Core XY architecture drives high-speed precision, maintaining accuracy even during rapid movement. AI-powered monitoring detects print failures, spaghetti issues, clogging, and anomalies before they ruin hours of progress. Auto bed leveling, a flexible build plate, a polished touchscreen interface, and cloud connectivity make the entire experience smooth, even for complete beginners. This isn't just a 3D printer, it's an all-in-one creative workstation. Best for professionals, creators, and anyone who wants the ultimate multicolor, large-format 3D printing experience. Downside, premium price, but unmatched capability. So that wraps up our list of the top 5 best 3D printers of 2026. From multicolor beasts to high-precision engineering machines, each one brings something truly unique to the table. Which 3D printer would you pick for your setup? the massive K2 Plus, the multicolor Cobra 3, or the ultra-reliable Prusacore 1? Drop your choice in the comments below. All Amazon product links are in the description. Check them out for updated prices, deals, and reviews. If you love discovering smart tools, creator gear, and tech that actually helps you build better, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video from Consumer Heaven. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, and keep your imagination unlimited.